Hi everyone, hope you're well. I'm just back in the workshop today doing a behind the scenes video because I want to show you this really interesting product we've got going through the workshop. It's our Cam-Slide Line Blind solution from our manufacturing partner SchuF. We sell a lot of these and we see a lot of them coming through the workshop, but they're normally always manually operating. It's very rare for us to see an actuated version. So it's quite interesting today to actually have two of them going through the works. So I just thought I'd do a quick video just to show you the basic operation of it. It's quite complicated and we'll put a few little clips on afterwards just to show some of the other functionality. But the basic idea of it is we've got two pistons. We've got this side which operates the cam mechanism and we've got this side which slides the blind. There's two solenoids on either side. So the first thing I would do is I would energize the solenoid on this side, which would drive the piston and open the mechanism, which allows the spectacle plate to slide backwards and forwards. Once I've done that, I can energize the solenoid on this side. And that slides the spectacle plate into the closed position. I would then energize the solenoid on this side, which will close the cam mechanism onto the plate and seal so that the process is safe. If I then want to put the blind back into the open position, I energize this solenoid again to open the cam mechanism. I then energize the second solenoid on this side, which will drive the plate back into the open position. And then I would energize the second solenoid on this side again to clamp, using the cam mechanism to clamp the plate in place and make everything sealed and safe again. So that's just a basic operation, open and close. We've got a couple of Westlock silver bullets on here to show us the open position and the closed position to give feedback to the control panel. And that's basically it. I just wanted to give you a quick demonstration to show you it working because it may be something that you've not seen before. So hopefully you found that interesting. Thank you very much for watching.